Welcome to your personal wellness channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 9 powerful tips for mastering the law of attraction in order to manifest your best life. Not only that, but we also invite you to visit the link in the description below to receive a free audio as our gift to you that will provide practical guidance in harnessing the law of attraction for creating a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1. Clarify your desires. The first tip for mastering the law of attraction is to clarify your desires with absolute clarity. Take time to reflect on what you truly want in life and write down your goals and aspirations. The more specific and detailed you are, the easier it becomes for the universe to understand and deliver what you desire. Remember, clarity is the key to effective manifestation. Number 2. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. Cultivate a daily gratitude practice by acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life. This positive mindset shifts your energy and aligns you with the vibration of abundance, attracting more things for you to be grateful for. Consider starting a gratitude journal or incorporating gratitude affirmations into your daily routine in order to enhance your manifesting power. Number 3. Visualize your dreams. Visualization is a vital technique for manifesting your best life. Take time each day to visualize your dreams as if they have already come true. Create vivid mental images, engage your senses, and immerse yourself in the emotions of achieving your goals. Visualization activates the law of attraction by sending a clear message to the universe and aligning your energy with your desired outcomes. Number 4. Empowering intentions. Setting empowering intentions is a powerful way to align your energy with what you want to manifest. Be intentional in your thoughts, words, and actions, and set clear intentions for each day. Focus on what you want to attract into your life and infuse your intentions with positive emotions. By consciously directing your energy, you amplify the power of the law of attraction and magnetize your desires into your life. Number 5. Release resistance. To truly master the law of attraction, it's essential to release resistance and let go of limiting beliefs or doubts that may ultimately hinder your manifestation process. Identify any negative thought patterns or self-sabotaging beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations and empowering thoughts. Cultivate a mindset of belief and unwavering faith in the universe's ability to deliver your desires. Number 6. Take inspired action. Manifestation requires much more than just wishful thinking. It also requires a bit of effort and inspired action. Take inspired steps towards your goals and dreams, guided by your intuition and inner wisdom. Act as if you have already achieved your desires and make choices aligned with your vision. Remember, the universe responds to your actions, so take consistent and purposeful steps towards your manifestation in order to see results. Number 7. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity and like-minded individuals enhances your manifesting abilities. Seek out supportive communities, read inspirational books, listen to uplifting podcasts, and engage in activities that bring you joy and positive energy. The people and environments you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your vibration and manifestation process and will help to amplify your potential while creating a harmonious space for your desires to flourish. Number 8. Practice patience. Patience and trust are essential qualities when mastering the law of attraction. Understand that the universe has its own timing, and trust that your desires are manifesting in perfect alignment with your greatest good. Avoid getting caught up in doubts or impatience, as these lower vibrations can hinder the manifestation process. Stay focused, maintain a positive mindset, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Number 9. Believe in yourself. Believing in yourself is crucial for mastering the law of attraction. Cultivate unwavering faith in your potential, trust your thoughts, and embrace being a co-creator of your reality. Replace self-doubt with empowering affirmations and recognize your worthiness of abundance and joy. Embrace your uniqueness and manifest your dream life. Trust in yourself and the manifestation process. By believing in yourself, you'll unleash a powerful force that will propel you towards fulfillment and success. Please don't forget to visit the link in the description below to receive your free Law of Attraction audio as our gift to you. And if you found this video valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out some of these other videos from your personal wellness channel.